A triangle with angle measures 30 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees has a perimeter of 18 plus 6 root 3. What is the length of the longest side of the triangle? Okay, so right off the bat, we know that we have a 30, 60, 90 triangle. That's one of the two special right triangles. Now, if you haven't memorized this yet, that's okay, don't worry. This is in the math reference sheet that's going to be on the test. But real quickly, I'm going to draw it here. By rule, the shortest leg, we'll just call that x. The hypotenuse is always double of that short leg, so the hypotenuse must be 2x, and the long leg is found by taking the short leg, timesing it by root 3. Those are the ratios for the 30, 60, 90. Now we're given that the perimeter of that triangle is 6 root 3. I want you to just play a matching game. Do you notice this 6 root 3 here matches with the x root 3? That's to say that the x value then must be 6. Now with that said, in our 30, 60, 90 triangle, this was 6 root 3. Then the short leg must be 6 because that's x, and the hypotenuse must be 12. So the question wanted the longest side of the triangle, and I'm sure you can see that now that it is 12. Boom shakalaka baba.